It's all about humanity.
Hey guys, this is Zena here from 360 North. So today we're going to work on mine Polaris 850. This is a 2020 Pro RMK. I'm very excited about it. So what we're going to do today is going to change off our rear bumper. So the stock one's pretty short and it doesn't protect your tunnel all the way. So if you ever do a wheelie or anything, and you can definitely bend your tunnel. So we want to try to avoid that and protect it. So speaking of the bumpers, thanks to Peak Boys. Once again, big thanks to Peak Boys. And we're going with ITEK rear bumper. So as you can see, this one's much longer. It's still in its packaging, so we'll unwrap it and then show you how to install it. So stay tuned. So to take off the rear bumper, we got two screws here. So you're going to need a T30 torque screw and a 10mm wrench. Use a 10mm wrench in the back and take it off. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
One.
And that's two, and do the same thing on the other side. So also on the back of the sled you have these reflectors. There's one on each side. So what you want to do is pop them off. They're just glued on. So you gotta apply a little bit of force and they just come off. As you can see, the difference in bumpers, the one we're putting on is much longer, so it's going to give you more protection, stiffen your rear tunnel. I can't tell you the weight, but they feel quite similar. This one's obviously slightly heavier, but I do not have the numbers for you. We don't have a scale. Alright guys, so we got the ITEK bumper. It's kind of sitting there. It's not installed yet. So the hardware that it comes with, we have these silver rivets and the two bolts and nuts. They're silver in color. So that's what comes with your kit. So what I did is I went to Mid-City Motorsports, so we're going to give them a shout out, and I bought black rivets. Okay, and we're going to reuse the old bolts and screws as their darker color, so this way we're not using the silver, so it matches the bumper. Alright guys, so the rear bumper, the first hole here, so the kit comes with two nuts and bolts, so one on each side only covers the first hole. So what we're doing, we're going to reuse our two nuts and bolts from the previous bumper. However, this hole here doesn't fit, it's a bit smaller, so what we're going to do is going to use 15/24 bits, and we're going to make this hole a bit bigger. Remember, same thing on both sides. Make sure you don't drill your leg. Alright. So now I'm back on. Try to be gentle so you don't scratch it. There we go. Like I said, we are reusing our old nut and bolt. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way yet until we line up the other hole. Yeah. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way. Do the same thing on the other side. So we got it to our bolts end, so not to do the rest, we have to drill out all the holes for the rivets. So we're gonna use 3/16 bit. Started with the first one, drill it, rivet, and keep going. Alright, so now we have our manual rivet little gun tool thingy. Gotta use the muscles. Oh boy. That's one. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to go. Now we're on our last hole. So same process as all the other ones. Drill it out. And put it right. Alright guys, so here we go. Here's our final product. We got the ITEK rear bumper. It goes all the lengths of the rear tunnel, obviously longer than the stock one. Also, the one big thing is when you're riding, you have big mitts on. When you need room, if you're ever stuck to lift your sled, well, you got much more room than with your stock bumper. And it feels nice and sturdy, so, and gets you more protection. So we ordered our bumper from peakboys.ca, and if you enter the promo code 360 Norse, you get 5% off at peakboys.ca. So get yours.
It's all about humanity.